So I'm so excited. I just got my emu eggs in the mail. I'm going to take a look at them. See how they look. Hopefully they're all in one piece. I've got 2 of them in here, supposedly. And I ordered these from eBay. Oh, they're nicely packaged. That's great. Wow, look at that. Wow. I'm scared. Scared to hold it. Oh, that's big. Awesome. Oh my gosh, look at how cool that is. Are you kidding me? Mother Nature is amazing. Wow. So yeah, I mean, this one looks great. I'm hoping the other one does as well. I'll take another video when I put them in the incubator, so you can check that out.